Good morning, everybody. Good morning. What's up? What's up? 1 2 1 2. Check check. Okay. Today was a very painful day. It's not about the money that I lost today. It's about what happened, how I acted, and I have to learn from this day, from now moving forward, because it cannot happen again. It's the most painful loss in my opinion because it's not about the money that I lost. I lost like $200 in the account. It's about the opportunity cost that I lost. Let me explain exactly what happened today, exactly what I've done good, what I've done wrong, how can I get better next time, and yeah, pretty much. Okay, started the day, waited for the week open. I had a very bullish bias. We just entered a 5 minute fair value gap that is delineated as BC. We swept sell side liquidity. We swept those lows. We entered a BC, and then I just first of all entered long, got stopped out. But this trade, like I had so much conviction into this trade, and I'm very bullish on this week. I re-entered with 3 micro MNQ micro NQ contracts, and that was my actual stop. Like right here was my actual stop. Like fucking let me tell you exactly, a 20-point stop. Okay. Mm. Okay. So I entered here on this candle on 30, like 25,000 and $30, and I took off a partial on 25,107. That means 70 fucking points within 13 minutes. That's insane. That's very good. Very good trade. Very good execution. I recovered the stop that I had with the 2 contracts I entered earlier and got stopped out. And what I aimed for to get on the second contract was right here. I had an order on 25,229, and I should have just closed the screen and went to sleep after the first take profit got like executed. After I recovered my stop loss, my position stop was at break even, so I did not have to worry about anything. I was up $90 on the day, and I had an open position that was up $500 on 2 contracts. That's insane. Like, that's very good. And what happened? Let me explain exactly what happened. I got too greedy, and I told to myself, okay, I have a winning position. That means I have some extra capital to throw around, some extra chips in the fucking casino to throw around on those charts. Like, so what happened? I got into micro gold, okay, and just over traded, over risked, used too many contracts. Look at that. That's fucking disgusting. That's disgusting. That's not trading. That is not trading. That's not disciplined trading. And I'm very disappointed on those actions. And let me show you exactly on the executions how it looks. Entry time. Entry time. Entry time. Okay. No, not NQ. I did not enter NQ today. That's not today. Let me show you exactly. It's fucking annoying. I'm annoyed on myself because I did execute. Look on the journal. I documented everything. Went long with 2 MNQ and got stopped out for $62. That's nothing. But re-entered and executed a long on a 5-minute BC with 3 MNQ contracts with 125 of risk exposure after a liquidity sweep. Entered 1 minute. Okay. Entered long based on a weekly bias and expectation of sweeping daily buy side liquidity. That's what we've done. The daily buy side liquidity is 25,000. That's 25,300. That's the daily liquidity. Taking a partial and peeled off one contract at 77 points. That means 100, like one, a little bit more than $150. That means $90 in profit. I could have just closed the chart and went to sleep. Right here. Right here when I documented it. To recover the stop I encountered beforehand. My targets are daily buy side liquidity from last week. This target and 800 points, another target. And then the bad news, the bad part of the trading that occurred today. I exited the position prematurely to take another position in gold, and it costed me $500 in missed profits. TP2 hit at 2 a.m. for plus 300 points. That's like there's only one or two trades like that in a week. There are not many trades like that in a week. And lost all the gains I've made. That means I lost, like, I closed the position prematurely. I taking $500 in profits. That's here. $500, you see? You see on the chart? $500. And then taking a trade lost 100. Taking another trade lost another 150. Taking another trade lost another 60. Taking another trade lost another 100. Taking another trade, another. You understand what happened? Fucking disgusting. Okay, but my conclusions. Let's take it into a positive, into like a positive thing. Okay, let's learn a lesson from today. When I'm in a winning position, I'm not going to exit it. Doesn't matter what. I'm just going to ride, have a fun ride while the market goes to my targets. And yeah, pretty much should have taken profits right there. 300 points on 20,290. I had my limit order at 98 to 98. And then I had my last take profit right here at 800 points. I don't know if it's going to hit today, but it doesn't matter because this take profit would have gave me $500. And what happened instead of taking a dumb position? Like, it was so dumb. It was just stupid. It's not trading. It's not trading. It's actual gambling. It's not trading. The positions of taking in gold, it's not trading. Like, it's just not. What can we learn for tomorrow? Like this week is, in my opinion, I don't want to be like very pessimistic, but this week we have FOMC and we have non-farm payroll. That was the only low risk opportunity we had this week, pretty much. Um, I don't know. I don't know what to say. Like, I don't think I'm going to trade the whole week. It was a stupid mistake. I should have been up heaps, but I'm down a stop. I'm down like $200. But let's look at the positive side. Thanks God, I am down only $200 because old me as a trader 2 weeks ago, I would have just blown the account because I would have been tilted. I'm tilted right now, to be all honest with you. If I had access to this capital, I would have done some stupid stuff in the markets. I'm very happy to get stopped out and locked out of the account because I can just realize what I've done and what made me do it. That's greed. Greed made me do it. And yeah, hope you enjoyed and have a great week. I'm not going to trade this week in